As you said, my friend, here we came to the bottom line, and you need to have a trading strategy. That's what I will teach you after. Then before we reach that level, I need to teach you how to open a virtual account or a demo account or a paper trading account or simulator, anything. It doesn't mean the names. Most important to learn. So let's come here. That the most trustable broker I will refer to you, tell you to open an account to a student, and you, if you buy my course, you're going to be one of my students. So, and there is no referral link here, so me I will not earn nothing. I don't earn nothing from the broker to put it here. The only thing is me I put it here because it's a trust broker, and you can deposit and withdraw your money, and your money always stays safe here. Because those brokers, they are regulation of them, they are very high. So now in the first, you choosing one or one down. That one is American broker. Second one is AC Market, is an Australian. FX Pro is a British. XM is a Cyprus and Malta broker, but it's got reputation in France, regulation in France, and certificate of France and UK. And it's been very old as a broker, and personally I've never had any problem with them. Now then you open a demo account, and I will show you how to do that. I will show you soon how to open a demo account. After we open a demo account, I will show you how to get login and start trading a demo account and how to download the platform. Then I will teach you our strategy. So all you need is the practice. So let's dive in now to see. We open the browser like that. That Oanda is American broker. So you came here, you open an account. But me, I don't use in Oanda because Oanda is American broker, and regulation in America is different than Europe. Because in America they don't allow you to buy and sell the same currency at the same time. Like if you're USD, you can hedge it, and if you got a losing trade in a currency, you can open another one. So that is and the leverage is not too high, is 1 to 30, and the minimum deposit in Wanda, there is no minimum. You can start from $1 or $10. My broker, that's what I'm using, is AC Market, and here is it FX Pro and XM. So me, because that's my broker and I got the platform, but you don't worry. Oh, here you choosing, you put your name, like that. You put your email. You don't need to use your email, the exact email you're using. Just open an email. I think that is not hard. Anyone he can open an email in those days in very easy as Gmail. So me I got that one. Sorry. Like that. Here if you someone send you, here you write your number phone. Like that. You enter a number phone, or you can enter any number phone as you want. And for those ones that not my number phone, then you register. Like that, they will send you an email to your account. You need to verify. That's it. Now you choosing here choosing like here MT4, can't type standard account or use standard account like that. Currency is USD. Leverage when you are started beginner, don't never came to 1,500, always 100 to an initial deposit. Here you can add anything from 200 till 1,000. Right here you do process. I think it's very easy, not that hard. Here, as you say, now you don't have already a trading platform, just came here like that. Is going to open for you another place, and to open a live account you just simply complete those things down. So me, I'm not interested. Me, I just, and even you don't need to be interested to open a full account. I think everything is very easy. Here you came to that place. Then you download the platform. Here you just click download, and it's going to download and you install it. It's not that hard because I got it already installed. I think everyone here knows how to install anything. So now let's dive in to how to install, how to open the demo account in your trading platform. So let's dive into that. See you soon.